Afternoon, WRCC fans, and we've got another new arrival for you. They're coming in thick and fast now, and it is a 1968 Maroon B Traveller. The second time we've had it in here at West Riding. It's an absolute corker. All the upgrades that you want on it, and it costs quite a lot of money to add to the car to make it more usable for modern traffic. So it is a 1275, which everybody raves about. 5-speed gearbox, so that's, I'll repeat that, it's a 1275 and a 5-speed gearbox. It's the 4 Type 9 box and a midget 1275. It's got a carb upgrade on it. It's got 49,800 miles on the clock, so for all intents and purposes it's 50,000 miles, so relatively low mileage on the engine and box. The wood's in excellent condition, as you can see, so near perfect. Go around it again so you can have a look at the back doors. So absolutely lovely condition, the wood. As you can see, the paint's in really nice condition, got really nice shine to it. It's not perfect, there's the odd blemish on it here and there, as we always say, but it is nice, more than acceptable. And it's not like we're going to have to use the P word on this car today. So good underneath, good structurally, drives well. It's got a servo on it, it's got electronic ignition, carb upgrade, Maroon B, Cherokee red interior, so we'll have a look. So as you can see, seats in good condition, headlining's really nice, carpets are all good, Bakelite steering wheel's in good order, good box liners, yada yada, all the rubbers are all good. It is a really nice clean car. When we were offered the chance to buy it back again, obviously, as we do with West Riding cars, we didn't hesitate to jump at the chance to bring it back into stock. So it's had new carpets, probably fitted by us when it was out last time. New headlining in the back, original in the front. Cherokee red interior, all nice, no rips. Dashboard, nice shiny paint on it, no nastiness. Nice Bakelite steering wheel, as I was saying to you before, just shy of 50,000 miles on her. It's got 10 previous keepers, which you'd expect for this car. Just pop the bonnet, start her up. So runs and drives, starts really nice. Obviously you've got that extra power to keep up with modern day traffic. Your nice big carb there, big carb upgrade. You've got servo brakes, electronic ignition, alternator upgrade. The engine bay's in really nice clean order. Really nice clean order in fact. So your inner wings, bulkhead, tie plates, flitches, all in good fettle. Cold air intake pipes in good condition. It's got what looks like a new radiator on it. I think we put that on when it was running last time. I say the wings are all in good order. No bubbling at the bottom of the doors. You'll have to take my word for it that the underside's all good. All the chrome's all good, as you can see. Doors fit nicely and stay open nicely. Nice and clean on the inside, so I haven't been carrying loads of load round with it. Sticker there saying Wilmer, so we'd expect that were its name from its previous keeper if you want to keep it. Again, headliner, and you can see that the sun visors are in good condition as well. Pleasure to drive, plenty of power, plenty of stopping power. It's a lovely clean car, and it's not very often that we get 1275 cars in without having to modify them, so you don't have to pay for the modifying yourself. It's already been done, which it command quite a price. But having said that, not only have we got this one in, we've got a Trafalgar blue one that's having some prep work in at the moment. So if you're after a 1275 Traveller, we've got this one, the Maroon B one, and we've also got a Trafalgar blue one. So it's on a 16850, which is an absolute bargain given the spec and the condition of it. As always, if you want further details, give us a call. So it's West Riding, Yorkshire Minor Centre, 01422 881221. That is West Riding, Yorkshire Minor Centre, 01422 881221. Speak to Dan in sales, that's me. You can email inquiries at westridingclassics.co.uk. You can visit www.westridingclassics.co.uk, or obviously this will be on our YouTube channel, which is probably where you've seen it, on Facebook or Instagram. And as you can see, we keep a lot of miners in stock, so if this one isn't for you, as I say, we've already got a Trafalgar blue 1275 Traveller in. We've got a nice porcelain green pickup being built over there, and just miners coming out of his ears at the moment. So come and see us, get in your car, travel to Halifax, Sowerby Bridge, get the train at Sowerby Bridge train station, and that's where we are. Thanks for your time, guys.